Okay, I heard this rustling around. It looks like Arkie's looking for a new spot to have more eggs. I'm not quite sure how she got up there, but obviously she managed. At least they haven't got eggs in the printer this time. The weather's absolutely horrible outside. All the birds are inside. Arkie has identified the scanner as being a good spot. Sorry, the scanner as being a good spot to have her next babies. Babylon has identified a spot over beside my bed. I've had to put a towel here. You can see that because he's chewing my bed. He's shredding as much of the wood as he possibly can to make a nest in there because it's a nice little hidey hole. He investigates under the desk, behind everything. I've had to move everything so there's no little nooks and crannies. Okay, she's investigating the printer now, as you do. She's eating lots of calcium. She's even trying those tiles there. They're limestone, I think, or marble. Chewing on them. She's been trying to get in the top part of the printer. Up she goes. Okay, let's do an update. Hello, Patchouli. Come and talk to me. Step. Good girl. Patchouli's looking a little patchy still. Hello, this is Skeeter. You gonna look at me? Aren't you a handsome boy? His feathers have mostly grown back. Hello? Skittles is just a darling. He's tiny. He's beautiful. He's patchy, but mostly his feathers are growing back. Are you gorgeous? Yes, you are. Hey, Random. Look at you, you've got a dirty beak. You've been eating the corn. Hello, Queen of Random. Her feathers have mostly grown back. The Beelzebub Toyboy has claimed my bed. Don't chew my cord. Has claimed my bed as his personal territory because I've blocked off all these other potential nest sites. Step. Ow! Stop them getting there by moving the stool out so they can't use the stool as their access. Okay, off the bed. Both of them are quite determined that they're going to have babies under the bed now. I've blocked off everywhere else. I'm hoping the behaviour will stop and they'll just give up. They chase their chicks off because this is a potential nest site. They don't want their chicks to be involved in their nest. Investigating all options. If the drawers are not perfectly straight, they can climb up the top into the drawers and they can sidle down the side. She had her eggs under the bed once. It was very awkward. I had to get them out with a broom.